Hi everyone, it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. Thanks for joining me again today. Today I have some cards I want to share with you. I've used this set called Cut and Emboss. It's a birthday party set and it's got a really cute embossing folder here. I'll show you that. So, oops, here, let's pull this out here. It's got these balloons on it and some kind of sort of confetti-like pieces on there, and some little dots on there, and it's really cute. So makes some really nice backgrounds for the cards, and so I've used that, and it came with these dies to cut out little party things. There's a little party hat, a banner, it says party, the word there. There's a candle, and this cake that says hip hip hooray. And so I've used a couple of those little things. I've used the word party and some of the little kind of squiggly designs on there and the party hat. I used the cake on one of them, but I just found this die did not want to cut any of the paper that I tried. I tried several different ones. I don't know if any of you have run into that where the dies just do not cut. But the other ones seemed to work fine. The little candle worked great, and the party hat and the little squiggles were good, but I don't know, this one was really being stubborn, and I only got one cut out, and it wasn't perfect, I didn't think. But anyways, I'm going to show you the cards that I made with these. Okay, so here's the first one. So I don't know how well you can see the embossed background, but it's really nice, this white paper that I've used, and then you see the balloons raised up there and the confetti and the little kind of squiggly designs on there, little dots and stars, almost look like stars on there. So that's the first one here, and I've just layered on a couple of rectangles in different sizes there with the stitched edges on them, and a stamped celebrate on this one, and just added some little decor on there with some string and a little pearl. That's the little party hat that I put on there for an embellishment, and then a few of the little kind of squiggly designs on there as well. And then I used just the little stickle to kind of bling it up a little bit more. So I thought that turned out really cute, and I always just put my stamp on the back of it, and I've left it blank inside. So that's the first one. Here's the second one here. This one I used the die cut that says party on there. Now, I don't know how well you can see it, it's because it's white on white there, but it says party. And then down here I've used a couple of the frame die and then the rectangle on there, and stamped a tiny little birthday cake on there. It says happy birthday, and just added some stickle on there as well. And then here's another one, just the embossed background again, and then I've used one of the tag dies on this one. It says party on there. Added that. Stamped happy birthday. I added some black and white string on there and a little bit of stickle on there as well. Some people might think this has too much white space on it, but I think with the embossing it looks really nice. I kind of like the look. Clean and simple. And then here's the one where I used the birthday cake, which I didn't think cut out perfectly, but it's on there, and it says hip hip hooray on there. I used another little tag die and stamped happy birthday on there. Kind of did it in the brown ink to match this border that I put on here with some gold stripes on it, and then used my hole punch to punch out those little circles on there. Added a couple of the little squiggles on there and some stickle as well. So I thought those turned out really cute. And then I did one last one here, and this one I did using a little bit different with some red ribbon on there, some sheer red ribbon, and did one of the rectangle dies stamped with the red ink that says happy birthday to you, and just found a couple little red kind of puffy stickers that I could add on there to dress it up a little bit. It's fairly clean and simple as well, but I kind of like that look. So I thought today we could make this one together. So stay tuned if you'd like to see how we do that. Okay, so I've got the A2 card base here that we're going to use. It's just in white. And then I've embossed the background here with the balloons. And I've just started to add the ribbon on here. So I've it's really simple. You just take your piece of ribbon and wrap it around this piece, and then you use some adhesive to attach it there. And then we're gonna put it right on here, like so. So I'll get some my adhesive for that. I'll just use this one for now. Sometimes I use the one on the roll for these, but to be quick, I'll do it this way. And now I'm just gonna line this up as best I can here. I think that's pretty good, maybe. I like things to be straight. Okay, so there's that. And now I'll take a little piece of ribbon again. Actually, that piece is a bit bent, so there we go. I'll just cut a little piece off here. And we're gonna, this is just some sheer floral garden ribbon that I got at the dollar store. And now it seems to work. So we're gonna take the piece and slide it through here. Just kind of anywhere on the line that you want it. And then we're just gonna tie a little knot in it. And we'll pull that tight. You don't wanna go too tight because you don't want your other ribbon that's laying flat there to curl up too much, but a little bit's okay. So once you kind of get it where you want it, you can snip the ends off. Just kind of do it at an angle. There's one. Like so. I'll pull that a bit tighter. Make sure you get it laying the way you want it. This ribbon's being a bit finicky, but we'll get it. I guess that one wants to go up for some reason, but anyways, oh, there we go. Okay, so that's not too bad. And now you can trim the ends more if you want, or you could do a little dovetail cut if you want to do that on it. I'll just think I'll do it a little straighter. So it's hard to get an angle so you can see here, but there we go. Okay, so we got that on. And then I'm going to take this little rectangle die that I've got here, and I've already stamped Happy Birthday to You on there in the red ink. And that's gonna go, I think, on here. So I will get my snails again here and put that on. There we go. Let's kind of get that in place there. And then what I do, I've got some of these stickers on here, and I was kind of using ones that have red in them to kind of match with the ribbon up there. So let's see what we should use here. Maybe do this little present is kind of cute, so maybe we'll just put that on there. And what else? Maybe the ice cream cone. Everybody loves ice cream, right? Actually, red ice cream, I've never seen that before, but anyways, it's good for the birthday. So anyways, that's just to show you how quick and simple you can make these little cards with just adding some simple embellishments. So I hope you enjoyed that. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.